Hello everybody, so today we're going to go visit our friends over at 8.5 Desserts at Windward Mall. If you didn't know, Windward Mall is located in Kaneohe on the windward side of Oahu. Sweet bites too.
Oh!
Hi. How's it?
Allow me to introduce you to everything.
Yes, the theater spiel.
Alright, to begin with, everything here is air fried, so it is healthier for you. We use microwave safe reusable containers. But if you're 55 years young and up, we offer a $2 wisdom discount. Starting from this end, we have our surf and turf. That is our air fried sashimi grade ahi, homemade kalua pig, ribeye steak, and shrimp tempura. We have our kanak attack, my #1 seller. That is kalua pig, Big Island style smoked meat, which means flavor, not just smoke, and kalbi chicken. We have our signature, the 8.5. That is kalua pig, kielbasa sausage, kalbi chicken, and shrimp tempura. Today's tap out, I have two versions. Both feature our once a week special patele stew and it has kielbasa sausage. We have kalbi chicken and Korean chicken. Personal recommendation of mine. We have the we have the butter garlic shrimp and ribeye steak. We have our Big Island style smoked meat and rice. We have the patele stew with kalua pig, with rice, with Korean chicken and by itself, and we have our kalua pig alone, and we have our hurricane fries.
Oh wow!
Yeah, today we have our pot roast.
Can I get one of the pot roast?
Sure. Yeah. Do you want just pot roast? Or do you want it with the smoked meat?
Oh, it comes with the smoked meat too?
Yes, our smoked pot.
Alright, I'll go with the half and half dinner.
The smoked pot, okay.
Arden, what's your favorite food over here?
Everything.
Everything.
I'll get the butterbeer vanilla. Oh,
That's
awesome.
I call that one our Patronus. It's a great, and I recommend ramune with the lychee.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Trust me, this is gonna be a good combo for you.
That's our store.
So is your guys' store inside open too right now?
Yes.
Or? Oh, okay. Butterbeer and vanilla. This is awesome. Tastes so good. This is good. It's good. Thank you.
How's it? Fine too, yeah?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you guys got a good machine. Good. I know, hard to eat the kind that's crunchy.
Yeah, I know. It's crunchy guys. Tell my joke. We put that. Could be camping. Could be camping.
Wow, that actually tastes really good.
Lychee and something.
Ramen?
Ramen.
Ramen. Fried drop.
Lychee and ramen.
Like soda pop or something?
Oh yeah,
like,
that's I think that's what it is. But Dad told me is the bottom of that drink. Something kind of Japanese thing. Pie slices. Yeah, giant pies and small pies.
Wow, what is that?
And then one of the small pies is right there in that square freezer right there. That's small. I'll show you.
Oh, it is. Wow. Oh yeah, it's like the same thing.
This one.
Sweet and salty.
Oh, yeah. Japan.
This is the white peach.
Oh.
White peach.
That was good.
That one's
And to
good.
match your mango, this is the second flavor we fly in from Japan.
Oh, I don't think I see the cover. Ume.
No. And I put some more salt on top of it. Yeah, crazy good.
Salt.
It's good too.
And that's supposed to ume.
Wow, that's good.
Oh, you like that one?
That one's not aspartame.
I like the peanut.
This is our palolo.
Oh yeah, I was asking Arden about this and he said, I don't know what it tastes like. Palolo, okay.
Koi hapia kulolo. Really good stuff now.
Oh, I like koi hapia and kulolo.
I'm telling you, it's good.
This is good.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pai koi. So sweeter.
Oh, I might like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like koi and I like kulolo.
Yeah, you're gonna
And
like
I like
this one a lot.
hapia.
It's good, huh?
This
Yeah, that
one.
one's good.
Not bad, huh?
I like this one the best.
That's why we're gonna stand over here.
Yeah.
That's like a meal right there.
Good.
And I got the white peach. The white peach is so good. This reminds me of desserts in Japan for some reason. What was that one called?
It's all about me.
All
I
About
wanted to
Me.
try it.
All about me.
But it had an interesting name. Okay.
Oh, that's good. This is the hurricane fries from 8.5 Desserts at Windward Mall. How is it, Austin?
So good.
Okay, I gotta try some. It is good. Oh yeah. So I got the Pokeball also. Oh, this is good. Wow. This says smoked pot.
Pot roast.
It's pot roast with smoked meat.
Yeah, it's not pot.
Yeah. Shucks. Alright. The smoked meat is good. The pot roast is good. With the vegetables, carrots and the potatoes. This is good. I tried your master getting the food.
Yeah, so just basically the poke he with panko, he air fried it
Oh, cool.
with the sauce, some kind of, I think it's a unagi sauce. Wow, it's really good.
8.5 Desserts over at Windward Mall in Kaneohe.
You're watching PhotoLukeHawaii.
Alright, yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get a notification every time you post a new video. And don't forget to check out our Patreon page and our PayPal link if you folks want to contribute in some way. Alright, thanks everybody. Aloha.